just broadly speaking, how does a smart factory work?
Yeah, so the whole plan is to make like autonomous production facilities. So these would be to where instead of thinking about each individual piece of equipment as a standalone piece of equipment doing a single step in the job, you think about it as the entire factory as one piece of equipment, to where you have all of the individual pieces of equipment inside of it are interconnected and talking to each other, so that as something progresses through the workflow, it can happen ideally autonomously, but that everything is tracked, everything is actually monitored, so that you can get to the point where it's just raw material comes in one side, the actual final parts go out the other side, with the absolute minimum amount of human interaction between those 2 points. And the whole concept that we were going with was centering that around 3D printing because of its flexibility, its adaptability, and trying to make an entirely new system for how things get built, and then doing it regionally. So setting up a bunch of these facilities across the US so that you're doing that production as close to your customers as possible.
Sounds very interesting. So is that something that involves a lot of automation on the AI side of things?
Yes, definitely on the software side, the keeping track of things on the back end side, and building out how you would monitor that entire process. And then even just down to like robotics, ideally too, to move things from one step to the next.